top 6 best robot lawn mowers.
Hard to believe, but that was it for laying the wires. Now, the wires have to be connected to the charging station. The easiest way is to briefly disconnect the charging unit from the station once again. That makes connecting more convenient. For the connection, take the 50 centimeters of the wire that you left earlier as leeway, hold it on the contacts with a small loop, and cut off what is too much. Then put a connector on each end and squeeze it together. And make sure to push the right wire into the right terminal. This means the left boundary wire goes on the left, the guide wire goes in the middle, and the right boundary wire goes on the right. Push the ends of the wires in really well and squeeze all the terminals together firmly, otherwise there will not be a connection. Afterwards, clip the charging unit back into the station and finally anchor the station to the ground with the screws. To test whether everything is right, just look to see if the LED of the charging station is glowing green. If it is glowing otherwise or flashing, then you can find some advice in the operator's manual.